Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Marco, and welcome to Marc's channel. Today, I'm taking over his channel to provide you with some information. Actually, we have made an update on the course, and we wanted to share that with you guys. So, my name is Marco, and I'm a full-time dropshipper. I've been in different platforms as eBay, Amazon, Walmart, and now Facebook. And I've been doing Facebook shops and Facebook Marketplace for over a year. Now, I have a lot of experience on this field. I launched a course a few weeks ago. But before we jump into that, I want to let you know why I did this update and what to expect. So, if you're dropshipping on Facebook, either Facebook Marketplace or Facebook Shops, today is September 22nd. So, a month ago, Facebook made an update on their platform, specifically on the Facebook Shops part. And since then, everyone is experiencing low sales. So if you're dropshipping on Facebook or Facebook Shops, by this time, today is September 22nd, almost like a month ago, Facebook made an update on their platform, specifically on the shops part. And since then, the sales are not the same. So everyone is struggling with low sales, right? Before doing Facebook Shops, I was doing Facebook Marketplace, and I tried a lot of softwares, a lot of tools that helped me out in that journey. And then I jumped into Facebook Shops because it was easier to get sales, because you can just list in bulk and get a lot of sales, even though the sales dropped after a while. So pretty much everyone's trying to get back on track with Facebook Marketplace. And right now I'm trying to do the same. Basically, I'm putting together all of the strategies I was doing before doing Facebook Shops. And one of the strategies that was working very well was the Walmart to Facebook strategy. I mean, using Walmart as a supplier, but there's no software, or at least I thought there was no software at that time when I was doing it. But I found this piece of software that's called Wallismarter that lets you do research on Walmart. So in order to make the sales and finding the products, you have to define certain search criteria before listing the items actually to the marketplace. Now, this is what I did on the course. This is the update I made on the course. So I know that a lot of you guys are using Walmart as your main supplier. And if you're doing that, you're still doing that, this update is gonna be like very valuable for you guys. So the ones that have already bought the course, go ahead, check it out. You'll find very valuable information. So thank you for coming and take a look at the video, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions regarding the course or how this method works, just drop it in the comments and we'll be glad to help you out. Peace.